I know that this won't make sense to a lot of people, but I'm listening to one of my favorite guys, and his first sub-3 marathon, he was talking about how it took 5 years to hit that goal. And I just know that when the time comes and the race happens, and I know I'm going to do it, that I'm going to be so happy and so proud of myself. Because it's worth it. It's worth putting everything out there to hit that goal. Today is June 15th, which means we have exactly 5 months until my very first sub-3 marathon attempt. Actually, it's not an attempt. We're going to do it because there's no other option. I've been talking about doing this for probably about 2.5 years now. I'm finally at a point where I feel ready that I'm capable of doing this. But on top of the sub-3 hour marathon attempt, I have a couple other goals in mind. Obviously, number 1, hit sub-3 marathon. Number 2 is to have fun with it, like not just doing super serious workouts, but also doing stuff I enjoy. Like I have a couple creative ideas that I'm going to be doing within the next few weeks that I can't wait to put out there. And then number 3 is to be more consistent with creating videos. I really enjoy having memories to look back on, to cherish great moments, but I'm not always the best about actually producing something with them. So that's why I have my camera. I'm going to hold myself accountable to making one video every week up until November 9th. November 9th is our tentative race day for sub-3 attempt. I'm really excited. The big push that's really got me to do this is that, as you can see, last week I completed my first Ironman 70.3, and it was one of the greatest days of my life. I had a lot of fun pushing myself. I got to experience the day with my family, with my girlfriend. We had an amazing race. It is a memory that I will always remember. I'm so grateful to have so many amazing moments and to get to enjoy them for the rest of my life. As much as I enjoy looking back, I also want to keep looking forwards and keep pushing myself. The sub-3 marathon is going to be hard. There's nothing easy about it. It is running 6 minutes, 50-second miles for 3 hours straight. That's something I've never attempted, and I know that I'm currently not capable of, but I know I will be capable of it. As much as this scares me, I want to bring you guys along because I want you to see the highs, the lows, everything in between. Like, there's going to be successes and there's going to be a lot more failures. I just think it'd be fun to kind of show the reality of it. Like, what is it like? I'm not an exceptional runner. I've never been. I actually started running 10 years ago, right here. I've grown to enjoy it. I've grown to love it. And I've had so many great experiences from it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this series, and I hope you try something new.